Welcome back to the I Want to Learn English Writing Journey for Beginners. In Activity 13, we are going to focus on correcting errors. If you want to improve your writing skills, you need to recognize errors in order to make the corrections. First, let's go over some rules so you can go back and make corrections on the answers you wrote in previous activities. If you look in your textbook, there are 4 common errors outlined you should always check for. Punctuation. Did you use a period at the end of every sentence? Capitalization. Does every sentence start with a capital letter? Are proper nouns like Svetlana capitalized? Run-on sentences. Did you put too many ideas in one sentence without using punctuation or connecting words? Fragmented sentences. Does every sentence have a subject, the who or what the sentence is about, and a verb, what is happening? Okay, so let's go over some examples so we can locate and correct errors together. Look at this first example. Svetlana prepares the dough early in the morning. The wonderful dough is used for bread and pastries. Pause the video here and see if you can make the necessary corrections in your textbook. Then we'll go over the corrections together. So looking at this sentence, there are a few issues. The first thing you may notice is Svetlana is not capitalized. Also, there is no punctuation, so we need to add a period. What else do we notice? Pause the video and see what other errors you see. Hopefully you notice that this is a run-on sentence. We need to separate these two ideas. Svetlana prepares the dough early in the morning, and the wonderful dough is used for bread and pastries. Therefore, we put a period at the end of Svetlana prepares dough in the morning. Then we capitalize the T in the wonderful dough is used for bread and pastries. There. Now the sentence is correct. Doing good so far? Excellent. Now take a look at another example and see if you can spot the errors. Pause the video now and write your answer in your textbook. Okay, what did you notice? Did you see that Svetlana is not capitalized? What about punctuation? Yes, there is a period missing at the end of the sentence. But what else? We have a problem with our subject-verb agreement. Remember, if you have a singular subject, which in this case, Svetlana is one person, then the verb needs to have an S. It should say, Svetlana carefully measures the ingredients. Did that one slip by you? If not, you have a good eye. Okay, what else? There is something else missing. A conjunction is missing because there needs to be a connection between Svetlana carefully measures the ingredients and kneads the dough. The simplest conjunction we can use here is and. So we can rewrite the sentence like this. Svetlana carefully measures the ingredients and kneads the dough. Are you good so far? Great. The next thing to think about when checking your work is to make sure you added details. For example, in your textbook, it says, Svetlana makes bread. Here you can expand the sentence by adding an adjective to describe the bread, like fresh. So then it would say, Svetlana makes fresh bread. But then we can add the why or how she makes fresh bread. For example, Svetlana makes fresh bread by kneading dough. Here we put the verb knead in the present progressive tense, and if you need to review present progressive tense, you can go back to Appendix 5. Excellent. Now for your final task in this activity is to write your own original sentence based on Svetlana's story. Be sure to add extra details and check for any mistakes you may have made. Share your responses with your teacher, a classmate, a tutor, or with me. You can write your sentences in the comment section of this video if you choose to do so. I am more than happy to give you my feedback on your answers. Well, you keep at it and you'll be seasoned writers in no time. Keep up the good work. Thank you for watching, and be sure to visit our website at iwtle.com to get up-to-date information about the textbooks and also for articles related to language learning. Until next time, keep practicing your writing skills.